In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the lock assembly on your LG dryer. Removing and installing the lock assembly on your LG dryer is very easy to do and just requires a few basic hand tools. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So the main reason you're going to be looking at removing and reinstalling the latch assembly is if over time, through normal wear and tear, that the catch no longer grips properly onto the strike and the door is not staying latched properly. So the first thing we're going to want to do, of course, is open up the door. We're going to want to remove any article of clothing that may be in the dryer itself, just so there's nothing that's going to get in the way and no way that anything can get lost. So to remove the latch assembly, you simply need to take your screwdriver and remove the screws that are holding it into place. So once you have the old latch removed, now it's just a matter of bringing the new latch into position, set it into place, and reattach it with the screws as it was before. Once that's done, it's just a matter of closing the door, testing it, make sure that it's latching tightly, and you're good to go.